Alright, so here's a newer Bard heat pump running in cool mode. Big reversing valve right there. Emerson Cope. Throwing out a lot of heat. Well, ambient cut looks like. Alright, it is a 4-ton serial number from 2018, it looks like. And it just turned off. Yeah, looks like it's from 2018. Serial number. And it is looks like a 4-ton. And that fan stopped really fast. Alright, well there you go. Bard heat pump shutting off. See the big reversing valve right there? I don't know, it might actually be a 2-ton. I'll put it in the title, but good old Bard system. Thanks for watching.